What's up, y'all, and good morning. It is Katie back with another vlog. It is currently March 26th at 10:15 in the morning, and I woke up around 9:30 and have just been laying in my bed. Y'all, I got so sunburnt yesterday. Hold up, let me get out of the direct lighting. I don't know if you guys can see, but I got really sunburnt on this half of my face, even going down to my neck, like only on this half, not this half. My legs also got burnt. You can probably see like the line. It's like really bright in here. I'm sorry. This window just giving us good lighting. But yesterday I laid outside on my deck for like 2.5 hours because it was beautiful out. It was warm and there was a breeze and I was just listening to music, and I had clothes on. Like I was wearing a t-shirt and shorts, but I still managed to get burnt. And it was 60 degrees. It was literally 60 degrees, but the UV index was like 7, so makes sense. Today is just another quarantine day. It's Thursday, so that means today I have to do science. The way my school does it is every day you have a different subject. So today's science, which once Cole wakes up, we're gonna do together because we have the same science class. He is still sleeping, and it's Cole, so he probably won't be up for a long time. Until then, I'm not sure. Today I need to finish filming some more for a main channel video, but I need to brainstorm for that video because I'm kind of lost in what I'm doing, lol. I posted a main channel video a few days ago. I pulled an all-nighter, so if you guys didn't watch that main channel video on Katie's Corner, then you should definitely go watch it because that video is really fun, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Hopefully it will be warm enough so I can lay out again today. That was super relaxing and I really enjoyed doing that. It's 57 right now, but it says around like 2 it's gonna be 64, which is higher than it was yesterday. The UV index is only 2, but I don't even care if I like tan or burn or whatever. I just want to start this vlog, hold myself accountable for vlogging today because I need to do that. Okay guys, I will see you when I'm doing my homework or my online school. I don't like online school. So Cole's being an actual crackhead right now, so I'm not gonna do my homework with him. I FaceTimed him and he's just like being weird, which we love him, but I need to get my work done, you know? So we did the first section together. I have 3 more sections to do. I take physical science just because it's really easy and it replaces physics for next year. So we're doing simple machines right now, whatever that means. But the UV index is 6.1 today and it's supposed to get up to 7.6. I just checked because I like check on this website called Willy Weather, which is like the best. It gives you all the information, and I want to go outside and just lay out. I need to get my work done, and I'm being a good girl. I can't find a pencil. Like, also look at my folder. These were the first ever merch sample stickers. I don't sell these. Like, they're squares and they just look so awkward, and also when you peel them from the paper, like it was just terrible. So these are samples. These are the only 2 samples I got, and I just put them on this folder. Here's my packet. You see how thick this is? We have to like go online. Let's go to page 5 because that's what I need to do. Oh my goodness. Look at all this. I really don't like online school. I just want to go back. Sorry, I'm being negative. I see all these like influencers that are like, just look on the bright side of the coronavirus, and I agree, like look on the bright side, but I really want to go back to school. Time for me to do 3 units of work right now. Can't wait. And then we're gonna go lay outside because it's so nice and it's giving me summer. I found a pencil. Summer vibes when we're done. Also, I haven't eaten anything and it's literally 12:30. It's 12:30 and I have not eaten or drinking anything today. Just school things. My face got burnt, like actually, and my leg is hot. You know when you get a sunburn and like you can feel it hot? That's how it feels. Okay, let me actually do school now. Funny how turn to my fans. Wow, he wants my answers, doesn't he?
What page are you on?
5.
I'm on 8.
Well, you were being a crackhead, so I hung up on you.
Yeah, and if you stayed with me, you'd be on page 8 too.
So Cole and I just finished our science work together. It actually wasn't as much as I thought it was gonna be. One of the assignments that we had to do was take a picture of ourselves with a simple machine. So like pulley, a lever, a wedge, that kind of stuff around the house. A wedge that I found around my house is a knife. I just sent my science teacher a picture of me holding a knife, and that is my wedge. And if that doesn't explain to you how cool my science teacher is, I don't know what does. But I'm gonna check the UV of what it is outside right now. I know I'm like obsessed with the UV, but that's what gets you tanned if you guys don't know. So I always use Willy Weather. So right now it's still 6.1, which is really good. That's high. I'm going to put a bathing suit on and we are going to go lay outside and listen to music, which I am very, very excited about. Goodbye, online school. That was pretty easy. The only thing I have to do for online school later is Spanish. You guys know I already take online Spanish, but I'm like behind right now. I failed one of my tests twice because the stuff that we're doing in Spanish right now is so hard. I take Spanish 3 if you guys didn't know, so I'm like up there in Spanish. I am normally really good about doing my Spanish, but I failed this test twice in a row, and once you fail it twice, you have to ask your teacher to unlock it for you. I asked her to unlock it for me. Here's the bathing suit. I'll show you guys the bathing suit when I put it on, but time to get dressed. So I only have one bikini up here because every time we come up here, I forget to bring a new one. This one, I have no idea where this top is from. It's just like this lace-up top, and it has like no padding or anything, and it's kind of like a sports bra. These are not the matching bottoms. Let's go get burnt again. Look at my face. My legs most definitely got burnt, but it's okay. So I just laid out for about an hour and a half, and y'all, it feels so good out. Lots of people are asking me what the temperature is. Right now in Blue Ridge, Georgia, it's 66 degrees, but like I said, the UV is a 7, and the higher the UV, like the more hot it is, meaning the more tan or burnt or that kind of stuff you can get. So it's just beautiful outside. I was out there for a while just listening to music, country music, Justin Bieber, Keisha Cole, lots of things. But I'm gonna rinse off now because I put sunscreen on today, which I should have done yesterday. So I feel just kind of greasy, you know, but honestly, like that felt really nice. You know, you can never really tell how much you're sunburned until like a few hours pass by. I don't think I'm gonna get sunburnt too bad because I put sunscreen on, but it feels so good out, y'all. My freckles are coming back. I have so many freckles, and they especially come out during summer, and I don't know if y'all can see, but and my hair is getting lighter from the sun. It's just like summer vibes, you know? So I'm gonna rinse off, put my pajama shirt back on, lay in my bed, probably eat, because it's 2:15 and I still haven't eaten. Said I was gonna eat, I didn't eat. I need to do that, I'm starving. Let me shower really quick. I'm not gonna wash my hair, just my body. Rinse off. So it's 2:35 now, and I came upstairs to make some lunch, but of course I left my camera downstairs, and I really don't want to go back downstairs and get it. Cooking with Caiti, iPhone edition. I am so hungry. Like, I literally haven't eaten anything today. I kind of forgot to eat. I'm really bad at remembering to eat until like my stomach starts screaming at me. I'm gonna make a sandwich and some berries. I love berries. It's my favorite fruit. Let me bring all my supplies over here. 2 pieces of regular bread. I don't know what's special about them. This is turkey, but there's only 1 piece left in here. 1 piece of turkey. If you're vegetarian, I'm so sorry. The pigs are quaking. Oh no, what's a turkey? Turkeys are quaking. I don't like ham, but I'm gonna try it. This is the only other lunch meat that we have. And here's 1 piece of that. And I'm putting out my sandwich. And then some cheese. This is provolone. Now I'm gonna get some lettuce. And I only like this part of the lettuce. I'm really weird like that. Just grab a leaf and wash it. I just break it into this little chunk and put it on my sandwich. Look at that sandwich. She looks so yummy. And now I'm gonna have some berries. I have strawberries and blueberries here, but they need to be washed. I'm just gonna put a little chunk into my bowl. And these strawberries also need to be washed. Strawberries are my favorite fruit. Strawberries and blackberries. I literally love them. They taste like candy to me. I could eat the whole box. I've actually eaten a whole box of strawberries before. Don't recommend you do it because then you wish you had strawberries for the rest of the week, but you don't because you ate them all in one sitting. Today's just giving me all summer vibes. I don't know, I laid out, it was beautiful, and now I'm making like a lunch, and I never make lunch for myself. I normally just don't eat, or I eat like snacks, so it's just weird. It's giving me summer vibes, and I really like it. Also, my school just announced that we're supposed to go back to school April 24th, unless like the coronavirus gets way worse, so that's exciting. I mean, it's a month away, but like, I'm just glad to be able to go back to school and know a date, because before we didn't have a date when we were going back to school. So I have my berries, strawberries and blueberries, my sandwich, I have some regular Chex Mix just for crunchies, and then I have my glass of ice water and my begging dog who wants to eat my food. It's 2:40 and I'm starving, so let's eat. What time is it? It is 5:20 right now. I've just been laying in my bed. I did a lot of my Spanish work because I was 6 days behind, stuck on a test, and I literally failed the test a 3rd time. So I texted my Spanish teacher and I'm like, can I please just move off of this? Like, I failed 3 times, and the thing is, I was 2 points away from not failing. I just couldn't do it. So she let me move on. So I did a little bit of that. I still need to put my laundry up. I think I'll go do that right now. So it's probably not going to show in this lighting, but I still have sunburn on my leg, but that's pretty much the only place I got it. This leg sunburn's from yesterday, and it was pretty bad yesterday because, like I said, I didn't wear sunscreen, but I don't think I got sunburnt today, which is good. I don't feel like sore anywhere else, you know, when it's kind of like hurts when you touch it. Other than that, I just watched some videos, did my Spanish. I played with my dog. I played with Pkwy for a little while, my small dog, because she's so cute, and she was having like puppy crazies where she literally goes crazy. And then my mom and I talked to my dad. I got some good news, some really good news, which I'm not gonna tell you guys yet. I'm gonna keep it a little surprise. Hopefully it like goes through and will work. I'm just really excited, so hopefully that ends up happening. I'm gonna do my laundry right now, so let me turn this ring light on. A bunch of people saw this ring light in my all-nighter video on my main channel, and this is actually from Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's my Amazon affiliate shop. If you click the shop what I shop on Amazon link down below, then I link all my favorite Amazon products that I always talk about. So this will be one of them. This is so nice. It has a phone stand, so I always put it when I'm making TikToks. I'm gonna use one of my Katie's Corner bags. These are not released, but let me know if you guys want me to release them. Look how cute it is. I'm gonna use this to take up all my dirty laundry and wash it. When we packed to come up here, I brought a suitcase of clothes, but I really didn't bring that many clothes. I didn't know how long we were gonna be staying up here, so I didn't pack that much. And now that we're staying up here for much longer and we know how severe the situation is, I didn't come prepared or packed enough, so I feel like I need more clothes. I'm sorry guys, I never ended the vlog. I ended up just laying in my bed all night. I ate some cereal for dinner and that was about it. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. I've been having a lot of fun laying out. I'm about to go do it right now. Third day in a row. Oh my gosh, I'm going crazy. I literally just did an hour and a half of work and like so much Spanish homework. Also, look at these nails. They're so bad. I need to go to the nail salon. I'll see you guys in my next vlog and on my main channel and on all my social medias. Go follow them. Go subscribe. Go all that kind of stuff. Love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.